Hi, kids! Welcome to Cute Little Learning.
Dear friends, today we will take a trip to the farm to see many farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are kept for agricultural purpose. They are kept in the farm and some in the house, such as cat, dog, rabbit, etc. It can also be called domestic animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Horse. A male horse is called a stallion, a baby horse is a foal, and a female horse is called a mare. Sheep. A male sheep is a ram, a female sheep is a ewe, and a baby sheep is a lamb. Dog. A female dog is a bitch and a baby dog is a puppy. Goat. A male goat is a billy, a female goat is a nanny, and a baby goat is a kid. Chicken. A male chicken is a rooster, a female is a hen, and a baby chicken is a chick. Duck. A male duck is a drake, a female duck is a hen, and a baby duck is a duckling. Rabbit. A male rabbit is a buck, a female is a doe, and a baby rabbit is a kitten. Peafowl. A male peafowl is a peacock, the female is a peahen, and the baby is a peachick. Cat. A male cat is called a tom, the female is a queen, and the baby is a kitten. Donkey. A male donkey is a jack, a female is a jenny, and the baby is a foal. Cow. A male cow is a bull, a female is a heifer, and the baby is a calf. Hamster. A male hamster is called a boar, the female sow, and the baby a pup. Goose. A male goose is a gander, the female is a goose, and the baby is a gosling. Okay, friends, hope you had fun visiting all the farm animals. Can you name other farm animals you know?